jeans going on there. Lovely flare on them, very modern. Outfit is in a very cute outfit for the daytime. So hello my gorgeous darlings, I am off to the theatre today. One moment, we need to grab my glasses. Right, okay, that's better. I was like, who is this person? I don't recognise this. So I'm going to bring you along. I'll show you my outfit. I had two outfits in mind. One was a very cute little beige skirt with tights and boots and stuff. But I think it's going to be too warm. So let me, by the power of YouTube, show you my outfit for the day. So let's get straight into it. I love that, by the power of YouTube. So essentially, I'm going up to London to see Moulin Rouge. I haven't seen it before, so super excited for this. And my outfit, sticking with modern bohemian, we're going with, I've popped on a light t-shirt because I don't know what the weather is doing today. I think, as I said in my earlier clip, it was going to be miserable and I was going to wear boots and things, but now I've changed that up. So I just want to bring this down as low as I can because the line on this is really pretty. It's like an empire line. But, ding ding, but obviously round two, it's a daytime event. So I am going to be doing this shirt up. Now this shirt is gorgeous if you're going to a event like in the evening. It cuts so beautifully if you just want to put a sexy bra on. But for today, I've popped a t-shirt on and I tried it with a white tee underneath it, but the white t-shirt wasn't the same colour and that was actually making me feel worse. So I actually went for a grey. So I just went straight off the cuff and went for a grey. So this is what I'm talking about when we say modern bohemian. So we've got some beautiful high-rise jeans going on there. Lovely flare on them, very modern. I've got some chunky trainers on because I'm going to be walking around London all day, so we can keep it quite modern with that. I am packing a little scarf because, who knows, this is the UK, it could be freezing in London. So we're going with a nice kind of tasseled bag. And my jewellery for today, oh, I've missed a couple of pieces, but one is that very pretty ring, and I also put these nails on with this in mind. My big new glasses, you've seen these before, and then this double layer of white beading. So we're keeping the bohemian in there, but I think bringing it up to date, would you say? This is kind of modern bohemian and very cute for us mid-size, middle-aged ladies, or to be honest, for absolutely anyone. This shirt is from Temu. Amazing quality, amazing detail. It almost looks embroidery on glaze. It's not, but it could be. It's so pretty. And I'll try and get you a couple of clips up in London from the day out today. Thank you so much for coming in. Make sure you comment for me. What do you think of this outfit? Is it a very cute outfit for the daytime? Let me know. I say this all the time. Shop your wardrobe. I bet you've got a basic pair of jeans, a lovely white shirt. Just zhuzh it up a little bit, baby. All right, my angels, have a fantastic day, and I will pop in some clips from my outing. So just on the train now, all the way up to London. I've got my gorgeous friend with me. I might bring her in a little bit later. We'll see if she's shy or ready to do this. But yeah, very excited and not that far off now. Okay, my darlings, I'm in London. Look, 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 I've got Lauren. And we are really looking forward to a day in London together. We'll just take a little walk now. Let me give you a spin so you can see where we are. Piccadilly Circus. Very busy. Laura's looking stunning, by the way. All right, my darlings, I shall bring you along when we get closer to the theatre. So this is Les Miserables. This is where I came last time to the theatre with the gorgeous friend. But this time we're going to see Moulin Rouge. I think I've already told you that. And wait for it, where do you think we're going for lunch? Any ideas yet? It's pretty obvious, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, you ready? Was it a giveaway? Yeah, we're going to Chinatown. How nice is this? It's wonky. Oh my god. I used to come here like, I don't know, 30 years ago. So I'm just sitting at a gorgeous little restaurant in Chinatown. Outside, glorious day. How lucky am I? Cheers. Yeah, I'll bring you. I'll do a little food vlog. We have to, don't we? Who doesn't love to see what goes on the table? Look at this amazing, fantastic view. Got the elephant. The stage looks amazing. It is so romantic, it's amazing. And of course, the famous windmill. Look at the amazing lighting in here. It's so crazy. You can see everything off my glasses. I'll just give you a last minute spin round. Hold on. Look at the glamour. I'm signing off now. So I thought I'd finish this vlog here in the garden at the end of the day. Wasn't that lovely? So Moulin Rouge, highly recommend that. It was amazing. This was the jewellery I ended up wearing in the end to go with my matching nails. And yeah, make sure if you enjoy this kind of video, like, subscribe, comment most definitely. The algorithm loves a comment. And thank you so much for coming along with me today. I hope that was a great little insight into a day out with Miss Keeper. Okay, mwah. Have a good one.